So I was very surprised actually that Michelin asked us to do this four-hands dinner. To work with another chef from another country in the kitchen is very interesting. It's just exchange of ideas, exchange of ingredients.
Ni prvič, da kuham z drugim šefom v drugi državi, je pa vedno je nova izkušnja. Vedno spoznamo nove sestavine, vedno spoznamo nove stile.
Just in general, I think there is no language barrier anymore. The kitchen language is very international nowadays.
Kar je pa najpomembnejše, da mi pridemo z našim znanjem v tujo državo in pokažemo v tej državi, od kje prihajamo in kaj znamo.
The ingredients we use, we're trying always to use the ingredients as local as possible, as fresh as possible. We are not a vegetarian restaurant, but we are very vegetable driven.
Moj stil kuhanja je samo moj, je osebni. Na prvem mestu je osnovna sestavina, spoštovanje tradicije in predvsem misel na gosta. Gost je na prvem mestu.
So I hope the guests take away an enjoyable experience and overview of what Switzerland and Slovenia has to offer, and they're having fun here.
The food was just majestic.
Cultural, curious and impressive. It has a perfect blend of Slovenian and Swiss dishes.
Visually beautiful experience and of course also a taste explosion.
Danes si želim, da bodo goste začutili predvsem to. Zdaj, če govorim kot kuhar, to začimbo, katera je najpomembnejša, da bodo začutili dušo.